Yeah, and I kind of hinted on, you being a dad, but I want to ask you this. Being a dad, has that helped you any way, creating the music?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Like, it motivates you. It gives you stuff to talk about because, like, fans, it's easier to, like, really relate to your fans when you have something to relate to. Like, I'm 26, you feel me? So I have people around my age that's probably in the same situation as me, probably got a few kids. So you probably got one kid, but you can understand, like, oh, all right, you feel me? Like, I'm on my grind trying to take care of mine too.
Right.
You feel me? I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying to make sure my kids got clothes, home, way to get around, make sure they safe because the world is crazy.
Right.
So it's like, it's a combination, and it just give me a whole bunch to talk about in my music.